Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ivy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create free Power BI account. Okay, so let's jump into this video and see what are the steps. So if you come to this browser and just search Power BI services, and click on the sign in option, it will ask you the email ID. Now, basically, Microsoft is not allow you to use your own Gmail account. So what we are going to do, we are going to create first domain-based Gmail account, domain-based account basically. So for that, what you need to do, come over here, you come to the zoho.com and click on get started for this free. And yeah, and just log in with the sign in option and give your Google credential, click continue and just wait for a while. That account is created and it's asking for the number. Once you give the number, it will create your account. Now, once you've logged in with the Zoho, if you click on the mail, access to Zoho mail, and it's saying for create your own mail and create your domain. So I will go with the create my personal domain name, or if you want to create your own domain name, then you can proceed with that. So I will create with based on the own personal, and I will give my own name. Let's say Naveed at the rate Naveed K01 at the rate zohomail.in. So it will try to create the domain name for me and just wait for a while. Now you will see the mail is created and there you go. If you just Power BI services and go to the first option, give the mail that you created, click on submit and just wait for a while. It will create an account for you. Uh, it's asking for It's for my personal account. Click on next. Email account. Give this email account. Click on next, and fill up all the information that you have. Verification code, and verification code will become over here. And I'll copy this verification code and give it over here. I understand. Click on next and get started. And click on next. Okay, so let me refresh it and open my Power BI desktop app. Now, just wait for a while. Now, what will I do? I'll come to the right side corner, sign in button, and it will ask for my mail ID. So what will I come over here? I'll copy this mail and give it over here. Right click, copy, paste. Okay, so I didn't write over here. Naveed A. Naveed A 0101 at the rate zohomail.in. Click on continue and use another account. Give the mail. Click on next. Give the password. Click on next. And this is the step that you need to do. What you need to do over here, open your Google. So basically what you need to do over here, open your Play Store and search for this app called Microsoft Installer Authentication app. And you need to this one app open, right? Since I've already installed it and it asking for you the ID password. Now what you need to do, if you click on scan the barcode, only one this time, click on next, and now in this screen you will see a barcode. Scan with your mobile phone and click on next. Once you have logged in, and now you will see it will try to give you some numbers, so you need to give that number which is you can see on screen, and click on yes, that's me. And once you given that, it will takes around 10 seconds to authentication. Now, we will send you the code. We will need to just add an email address. So you can give your Zoho mail again, or I can use, you can give the another mail if you want. Let's say I can give this mail as well and click on next. Now I need to give the password. Now, once you have given your ID password, as you can see, you can successfully create your account by just using different domain name. So that's the way you can create your Power BI free accounts. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.